Hey sis, it's your girl Joy back again with another video, and today we're doing an H&M fall try on haul. Yes, we're checking out all things new in H&M because you already know your girl got you. We need them looks for the full season, you feel me? So you already know, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and let me know what you're shopping for this fall season. Now let's get into these looks. So first we have this high-waisted mom jeans. Now I am not sure what my size is in H&M, so I always try to get what I think I am in a size bigger than that, just because, and I believe this was a size 16. So definitely would have to get a 14. But looking at the way it fits, I actually do love these jeans. Like, they would actually fit really, really well. I can tell just from the silhouette. These are 16, so they do not fit in my waist. They're big in the front, but they are the perfect length, as you can see. And y'all know I be looking out for the 5'2" girlies. We need them jeans that fit. We don't got a tailor. These are perfect height. If you are 16, definitely get these. They will fit. Now I will say, because this is a light wash, it's probably one of the reasons why I can size down. Whenever you have light wash or dark wash jeans, be mindful that the wash itself is what ends up making you have to go up or down a size. So next we have these mom high-waisted jeans. These now are a size 14, I believe. So I would have to size down again for these jeans, but they are darker than the previous jeans that I tried on, which is really good. I feel like sometimes with lighter jeans, it's very hard to tell the difference between them, but this one is definitely darker than the first pair that I just tried on. I do love how it fits. So I know already when I go down, I will fit a better size. So since this is a 14, I have to go down to a 12, and the previous one was a 16 and I had to go down to a 14. So you can see right there, because of the washes and the cut, your size can be two different sizes just because of that. So be mindful when you're shopping. So next we have this little black top and the high-waisted pants. First, let's talk about the top. Now, I wanted to love this top. I wanted to just, be like this, you my best friend. We're about to wear this and everything. And y'all, the cut, the design, it would have hit if they would have did padding. If they would have been able to make this bust fit and sit, this would have been a perfect top go-to for any event. The fabric itself is a little bit tight. It's not stretchy at all. So do be mindful of that. There's no support. It is very long. I will say that it's very long top, so you can wear this out if you want to, but there is really not much support when it comes to just keeping the design of it sitting up properly. There's no support at all. The arms are very tight, so for all my girlies who have thicker arms, be mindful of this top. So now let's get into these high-waisted pants. And girl, I love these high-waisted pants so much. They are so long though, but girl, these fit so well. Look at that. They fit so well. I love the pleating in the front and in the back, designed to a T, but they're just long. They're long, and I'm not sure if they're worth tailoring. I don't really know. These pants are $59.99 and there's no lining in the pants, so I'm just like, is it worth it? But the way the silhouette, the cut, the fit, it just, girl, I don't even know what to do. They fit so well. They're comfortable. They're not super tight. They show off your body. The pleating is on point. Like, I even love the hood. What is it called? Hood stuff? I believe it's hood stuff, but I'm not really sure. It could also be a plaid. The design, the layout, the pleating alone is what got me from front all the way to the back. The pleating is everything. And honestly, I just live for these pants. They are such a great styling pants. Perfect for work or fashion styling event. This is a piece you should have. Debate whether or not you want to, get them tailored for all my girls who 5'2", but baby. Now, only thing, y'all already know, no belt loops, but the way they designed it, I don't even need a belt loop. I don't even need belt. Look at that. Look at this. Y'all, I'm in love. So next we have this mini skirt, black skirt with double breast buttons. And honestly, this fits super, super tight. I honestly feel like this is more so a divided piece, even though it's not in the divided section. If you don't know, that's like I'll say the younger version of H&M styling. And I just personally don't like where the buttons are. I feel like they sit at a weird place. Now, this could be because I'm petite or because I'm curvy, but honestly, I just don't like that. Literally, it sits below my belly and then it sits underneath my kitty cat. Like, that is so weird. I do like the slit, but that's pretty much it. Honestly, I feel like it's too tight. Like, there's no lining, so that's even like, I don't even know what to do with it. Like, I don't know. This is not hip friendly. It's not butt friendly. So I don't really know. I don't really know what to say. This a no-go. So next we have this little number. And first we're going to talk about the sweater. And I'm going to say this right now. I love this sweater. Is so cozy. It's so soft. I love the 3/4 zip because you can zip it all the way up and you look fly, and you can zip it down and you still look fly. Girl, I cannot tell you how soft this sweater is. It's so soft. I tucked it in so you can see how you personally can style it. But girl, this sweater is a must-have. This sweater is an everyday sweater. Now we're gonna get into the skirt, and the skirt is giving me very much Clueless vibe, very much neutral baddie, very much I can wear this all winter. This is definitely curvy friendly, petite friendly. It fits very, very well, and I can walk and it doesn't rise up, because you know with mini skirts and short skirts they rise up often. I love the plaid design because I feel like it's a little bit camouflagey when it comes to your tummy area, which is really, really good for, you know, curvy girls with a little extra little thing, you know. So this is cute. There are no pockets, unfortunately, and it's also not lined, but the fabric itself is really thick. So it's okay. It's okay. Overall, I would definitely recommend this skirt. It's a great fall piece to have. You can style up or down. Definitely a go-to. Definitely. So next, I tried on their faux leather pant, and it was definitely ill-fitting. I did not like how it bunched up in the front, and the way it fell with my legs is just a lot of space, and it actually looks almost plastic. So this is definitely a no-go. It's definitely way too long for my liking, and it just doesn't fit compared to like the one I did at Abercrombie. This one is definitely a no, and it's not as high as I wish it would be. Like, honestly, this is definitely not a pair you would get if you're looking to pull off that faux leather pant look. This is just no, baby, we're not doing this. So next we have this lovely quarter zip sweater, and y'all, I just paired it with the pants because I needed to pair it with something. And this sweater, y'all, I am loving it. It is giving me, it's even making these pants look better. I love the side slit. I love the horizontal pattern. I love the quarter zip already, and I love how it actually lays. Like, you see that? You see how the collar lays? It looks so good. Oh my God, I love this mainly because you could wear it slouchy and it works. Like, I am one of those girls that try and like avoid wearing oversized stuff now, just because my size, it can often feel like I'm bigger than what I am, and I'm already like, you know, curvy. I just want to always feel confident, you know, even if I decide to wear something that's a little bit big. So next we have another sweater, and girl, I don't know what to tell you, but you need to go right now and get this sweater. First of all, the high neck aloe is giving me life. The black and white detailing is giving me life. The ribbing is giving me life. The way they designed it is giving me life. Like, I feel like I done got resurrected like 20 times right now. Like, look at the design. It is very cozy. I love the turtle neck part, how it sits up high. I love the sleeves and the little detailed design. I love this sweater. Super cozy, super fun. I don't really have nothing else to say because it is so good. It fits so well, and it has a little slit detail in the back of the neck. That way you could throw it on easily and it don't feel like you're choking, you know. So next I tried on this blazer. I do love the silhouette of it. It really gives that hourglass figure. Most blazers often are straight, so this is really, really cute. It is very lightweight, so I will say this is definitely an early fall piece to have. It is lined. I do appreciate that. It has double breasts. It is very long enough where you can wear like a mini skirt if you want. You could wear a mini skirt and pull it off as if it's a blazer dress, and I think that's what I love the most about this. So I personally would probably style it like that because how it fits. It does have a little vent in the back, so that's why I said wear a mini skirt, just because it's technically not a blazer dress. But if you're little, you know, if you're a person like me who want to finesse and you want to make it a blazer dress, you could sew the back and make it a blazer dress. But anyways, it definitely does not have pockets. I thought it had pockets. It don't have pockets. So overall, this is definitely a very nice, simple blazer. Nothing fancy, nothing like, oh my god. It's just like, you know, it's basic. It gets the job done. So next we have this bubble vest puffer vest jacket. And y'all, see, listen here. Only way for me to wear a puffer jacket is if it is cinched in the waist. I don't care what anyone says. When it's cinched in the waist, it just gives you that extra something that you're looking for. And H&M, you did it with this one right here. I love this puffer vest. It is so cute. I love the pockets, love the zipper, love the high neck feature, love how it does my silhouette so nicely. It is definitely warm. This is definitely a fall piece to have. I love the way the pockets itself sits, so you can give off that like stylish. I do wish the belt was a little bit tighter, or there was a way too tight in the belt, just because I feel like it definitely could have been tighter. But overall, this is such a good piece to have. And again, I'm not into puffer jackets because I always feel like I look like walking around with a comforter. But when it's cinched at the waist, it is fabulous. Love how it fits. Love how it fits. So that wraps up my H&M try on haul. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. Let me know in this video what was your favorite look, and if you're going to be shopping this season for any of the pieces you saw. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you in my next video.